Good day everyone. We will discuss about teaching as a mission. Comes from Latin words mission, which means to send or pinadala. Lahat naman po tayo ay mayroong mission. For example po, sa school, makikita natin na mayroon po doon vision and mission. Me, as a student po, my mission is commit to learning, dedicate myself fully to my studies, striving for a high level of knowledge and skills in all subjects. Next po is be a responsible citizen, serve as a positive role model in my community by adhering to rules and actively participating in community service. And expand my knowledge, seek opportunities to learn beyond the classroom through extracurricular activities and projects that enhance my education. Value myself and others, respect and appreciate myself and those around me, promoting understanding and unity within my school. As a be student po, yun po yung mga mission ko sa buhay. Pagtungtong ko pa lang sa school. And after po ng vision, ay meron po kasunod ng mission and job or task po natin. As employee, kapag papasok po tayo sa mga company, meron po doon magi-start na may tutunan o makita po natin kung ano po ba yung mission or task na gawain sa isang kumpanya. And sa pamagitan po na pagtupad sa mga misyong ito, layunin kong maging isang mahusay at responsableng individual na makakapag-ambag sa aking pamilya, paaralan at lipunan. Yun lamang po ang sa akin. Maraming salamat.